But the coolest part of staying in this treehouse is the swing that comes with it.
Yes.
That first when you fall off, it feels like you're just falling down.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to our treehouse. Adorable treehouse sits 45 feet up in the air. It's really simple, it's so cute. The decorations and touches are perfect. You have your bed, these windows just surround you, a couple of these really pretty hanging Edison light bulbs, and the hospitality in this Airbnb is amazing. There are snacks everywhere, water, all your cleaning supplies that you need.
Also an upper deck up here, which is awesome because it gives you a little view of just where you're at. So you have chairs for sitting, and there's a hammock on top.
There's also this awesome like outdoor space that you can make a fire at, or obviously just sit around the fire and roast hot dogs and marshmallows.
We didn't really utilize it, but if you're in a big group or anything, I know there's multiple houses here for sleeping in. So
that we're gonna show you.
Yeah.
So like he said, there's another cottage back here. We stayed in the one over there. And now we're gonna show you the other cottage, or the other tree house on the property. It's so cute. This was kind of the same thing. You have this bed with all these windows, and also all of the little decorative touches that are just adorable. They're so cute.
The owner of this property actually hand built all these tree houses, which is amazing, which kind of, you know, is a part of the draw of staying here. Is just so awesome because you just, like, it's all hand built. Like, he did it himself. He created them into little Airbnbs, and everybody that's been here, from what we've heard, have loved them.
Yeah, and we do too. A lot.
Yeah, we love them. We're like, can we buy one?
Just the house, just a tree house. Coolest part of staying in this treehouse is the swing that comes with it.
Yes. So we're getting ready to go to it. It's gonna be crazy. I'm really scared. I already did it once. Ashley hasn't done it yet. We'll see.
We'll see. If you've seen the Honduras video. No.
Ashley, you have to go.
Hopefully it's not like that.
And then you just flick it. There we go. See? All right. Give me the GoPro. Oh gosh. Ashley, you got to do it once.
On your head.
Yeah.
You need to have a head.
We don't have a head mount. I wish we did.
There you go.
All right. Ashley's down there. Hopefully everything goes as well. All right. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This is the rope swing at the treehouse that we just stayed at tonight. And it's pretty fun. Super awesome. Gosh, I'll just be here all day. So anyway, so this is like a 200 feet rope swing, I think is what he said. 100 feet? Okay, 100 feet. Oh man. I did it.
It's gonna come back and hit you in the face. So
Christian,
Honey, you got it. It's really not that bad.
What I like about jumping off of things is that it ends.
No, this one ends. It's on that other end.
No, I know it ends. I'm not gonna keep going forever.
You can do this.
You can do it, Ashley.
Yeah. You're a nurse.
Oh, what's that mean?
Over people. Yeah, I mean, you've had all sorts of horrible things happen.
I know I have.
This is not one of them.
I was gonna say, is this one of them? I just feel like, ah! Oh, that's cool. Okay, that's cool. That was not as bad as I thought. That first fall, though. That first when you fall off, it feels like you're just falling down. This is gonna be how bungee jumping goes, too. Yeah, it's just that initial drop, but once it catches you, it's really not bad.
All right, so we just finished the swing. Bunch of fun. What did you say?
Yes.
Yeah, it's really fun. Anyway, so this is going to conclude our video today. Awesome stay, awesome Airbnb. Can't believe that, you know, this place exists even. We're just kind of blown away by how cute it is and, you know, just the aesthetic this place brings. But thanks for watching this video today, guys. We appreciate it. We like your support on these videos, and we appreciate you guys watching and stuff. We would like you to subscribe if you want to see this kind of content more often. The realities of traveling. Junk.